Percents are useful for finding the relationship between two quantities. This is known as finding what percent one number is of another. This can sometimes result in percents greater than 100. In this video, we'll look at examples of finding the percent one number is of another. Let's look at an example. In a container of cow's milk, 2/3 of it is whole milk and the rest is cream. What is the percentage of cream relative to the percentage of whole milk? The ratio of cream to milk is 1/3 to 2/3. This simplifies to 1 to 2, or 1/2. To find what percent this is, simply multiply 1/2 by 100%, which results in 50%. The 50% represents the ratio of cream to milk. The ratio of cream to the entire contents would be 1/3, which is 33 1/3%. Let's look at another example. What percent of 25 is 8? If you replace the word percent with fraction, what you want to know is what fraction of 25 is 8. This we would write as 8 over 25. To convert to a percent, multiply the fraction by 100%, as shown here. The 25 goes into the 100 4 times, leaving 8 times 4, or 32%. So 8 represents 32% of 25. Now let's look at the reverse situation. What percent of 8 is 25? In other words, what fraction of 8 is 25? This results in this fraction, 25 over 8, which is the inverse of the fraction we saw in the previous example. Multiply this fraction by 100%. 8 goes into 100% 12.5 times. 25 times 12.5% is 312.5%. This is an example where the percent is greater than 100%. In other words, 312.5% times 8 is equal to 25.